Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to talk about straight to iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. I do apologize. I literally made a 10-minute video and it didn't save. So part two. Me making the same video again, wasting more time that I don't have. So the first week's called AP and History. Hasn't been updated in a while, but what this week does, it gives you like the notifications inside this app. So I don't know. If let's say if you go through notifications a lot, then this will be a great tweak for you. It just saves basically notifications again. So. This week's called Audio Recorder. That's my favorite tweak on the list. Thus far, iOS 12 or 13. I'm not sure about iOS 14. It has not been updated for iOS 14 yet. You can record phone calls from, any telephony or call kit service or actually any app. That's why I love this tweak. You can record phone calls. So between this tweak and screen recording, you can literally record anything you want. So for example, when you screen record FaceTime or Skype, Checkra1n, just those are two apps. They will not. They'll record like you see the video, like record you like the screen, but you cannot hear any audio. This week you can record any audio that you hear. So also just make sure you guys read the legal disclaimer. Your developer is not taking responsibility for how you guys use this tweak. You guys have to play a beep, or you have to let the party know that you are recording the phone call. Some states and counties it's different laws, but in most counties or states you do have to let the person know you are recording the phone call. So like I said, just follow your laws and wherever you are. Next is called iCleaner Pro. First real iOS system cleaner and optimizer, removes unnecessary files from your device, allows you to tweak it to your liking, supports iOS 4 to 14.x. Next is called Kart Tour Bypass. Hopefully bypass Mario Kart Tour jailbreak detection. Next is called Prism, new reminders module, but it's a feature-rich control center for iOS, so pretty cool. Next is called LS Clarifier, removes background blots for lock screen stuff. Next week is called Pinny and pin messages like iOS 14. Next week is called Stripe Count. See the number of installed packages at a glance. Next week is called Shadowed, hide selected apps and app switcher. Next week is called Lottie Lock Screen, animations for your lock screen. So adds an amazing Lottie animation for your lock screen, can animate clock, flash button, and camera app. Supports iOS 12, 13, and 14, and it's free. Next is called WA Stickers tab and WhatsApp Stickers Manager. This is called Boosted Wi-Fi. Removes the default signal level limit to show networks and range, and displays the current signal level RSSI for each network. Supports iOS 11 and 12. And so I did test on iOS 13. It does work on iOS 13 as well. I don't have a device on iOS 14, so I'm not sure if it does work on iOS 14. This is called LibLottie Animations Library for Jailbreak and iOS. Next is a theme called Miracle, version 1.5. Update is now live. So it's a beautiful and vibrant iOS theme. Takes over the stock iOS look. Next is called Silica, is also Silica 2, which is more updated, as a multitude of new actions to your AirPods. Next is called Callbar ets for iOS 12 and 13 devices. Complete call handling for telephony, FaceTime audio calls, Skype, etc. So that's how it looks. You also can choose your theme. Next is called Super Recorder ets Plus, and you can record any phone call, voice change, any audio in the device without using an external service. So you can record any incoming or outgoing call. So pretty cool, guys. And make sure you do comply and follow the laws in your county. Me or developers not taking any responsibility for you guys how you use this tweak. It's called Cilio, proper APT client for iOS 11 and higher. It's basically a Cydia alternative. This is called Chat Bubbles Lite version 0.4, and actually fits a safe mode bug, fits keyboard bug, fits taptic bug, fits overheating issue, fits memory leaks. So keep chatting when using other apps. This is called ICT Miz Pro, I customize, not you app. Includes more than 200 plus features, powered with iOS 13 up to 13.7, 8.12, and 8.13 support. This is called OL3D Tube, and is dark mode for YouTube. One of the best tweaks, CarPlay enable. Use any app with CarPlay to support iOS 14 and up. This is called Vibes, change the volume button vibrations. This is called Battery Flow Reborn, fully customized, compatible with iOS 13 and 14. Allows you to completely customize the low power alerts. This is called Custom Sounds 2, custom system sounds, iOS 13 and iOS 14. So you can change the sound your device makes. This is called libnebs, a collection of custom preference-related classes used in most of my tweets. Replacement of lib, Tyler, dev. This is called Call Recorder ets Plus, supports iOS 12 and up, recording phone call or VIP call service on your device while using the external call service. So you can easily access recordings, just like Super Recorder ets Plus, does basically the same thing. Just make sure you guys do comply and follow the laws in your county or state. and me or developer are not taking responsibility for how you guys use this tweak. Probably one of my other favorite tweaks on the list called App Store Plus lets you downgrade or upgrade apps in the App Store, block updates, bypass 200 megabyte down limit, disable search ads, and disable app thinning. Supports iOS 11, pointouts to 13.5. I'm not sure, it might support iOS 14, but just updated Springboard portion of the tweak will use Mitch-Rank to get versions when the website is down. This tweak is called Lumi, and night mode camera for low light photography. So huge difference here. These are devices it supports, everything you need to know about it, what it does, what it supports, doesn't support, how it works, and everything. This tweak is called Full Play, and also mobile survey tweak. So makes it now playing View in the music album iOS 12 to 13 full screen. Just looks like the iOS 14 music app. This is called Magma Evo version 2.0.7. Supports for the new Prism Reminders module. So you can also redefine your control center with this tweak. This is called Record Pause. So pause resume video recording. So if you're actually making like a vlog, or you're a YouTuber, or just like to record, then this tweak makes it saves a lot of time instead of like putting every video together. And if you record like whole like hour or even like 10-minute, 20-minute video, and you're out and recording, you can easily pause it and then play it again, and then it will just continue recording. So you don't have to like edit everything together. This tweak is called Spin Settings, and dynamically rotating settings icons. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.